Recently, we hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube and thanks to you all for your support. So today I will be painting on my first big canvas. So let's first create our sketch.
We got them quarantine summer vibes and we don't got nothing to do. So I'ma fall in love with you again. They say the best things coming to my friend. I'm at my best when I'm with you. We got that quarantine summer. We got that quarantine. We got that quarantine summer.
So recently I was watching this series Jujutsu Kaisen and I decided to draw Gojo Satoru from the series. Since the sketching is done, now I will be using a charcoal pencil on the back side of the paper, so let's do this.
You couldn't see it coming, yeah, you nearly lost conscience of your own soul. You couldn't see it coming, you were heading in reverse down the wrong road. You couldn't see it coming, nearly gave up, found no.
Now since we are done with destroying the back side of the paper, now it's time to get the canvas.
Look at you.
And the canvas is off.
I just wanna love you, yeah. I look you in the eyes. I think you love me. Baby, don't mind. I think you love me. Just tell me when you ready, babe. We don't gotta mingle yet. I ain't wanna hesitate.
And now it's time to transfer the sketch from the paper to the canvas.
If I wrote a song about girls, it's not about you, then it wouldn't be true. We're laying in my tiny dark room with 90s cartoons, and I just had to say, don't wanna get drunk in the back of some basement, cause we got that love from the past generation. And if you really my whole world,
Alright.
a song about girls, it's not about you, then it wouldn't be true. We're laying in my tiny dark room with 90s cartoons,
And now it's time to paint.
but I still in a battle with you by my side. I don't wanna let another moment pass us by, so I just wanna close with you all night. Closing, when I'm with you then don't lose it. If I don't get sick we keep moving, till the sunrise and we closing. Cruising, when I'm with you then don't lose it. If I don't get sick we keep moving, till the sunrise and we closing. It's a cold one on Dreamville. This not for sale and retail. This prophesy saying me well. Adam cursed us when he fell. She from the ocean like seashell. Popped her the cut like a weasel. Told her she bout it, then hit me through email. Then she can be my first lady like Michelle. Hey, cause you and me all that I can and kale. You make me happy like your life for real. When I'm with you, I feel like myself, yeah. Ay.
And the eyes look fresh AF.
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back. Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation.
And now it's time to create a color.
So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you're here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome.
Alright.
Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in this situations, cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking the main surprised if I'm not here when you look behind. Guess I have my own destination, and you're staring at the wrong direction. I'm not looking for your confirmation.
And now it's time to paint the background.
Cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking a name in vain. My God, it's such a shame.
So the paint is taking too much time to dry, so let's use a blow dryer to make it dry faster.
My love's like a black hole sun, so bright when it burns, so dark when it's done. So hard to relate to one when I find myself tripping off that blunt, tripping off this blunt. So I might be blunt if I do confront you. Don't run, no, don't run from the black hole sun.
I just picked a new bitch up in a Volvo truck. Said she never seen LA. I put her on a plane, she's so in love. You better watch yourself. Why you act like that? Like you don't need no help.
And now comes the fun part, inking.
Walking down this Sunday road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gon' do? Can no evil hold me down? Let no evil hold me down. When your will is on the ground, what you gon' do? I won't go for anything that isn't in direction of the boom. Don't never let anything come in between, 'cause surely you.
And since the inking is done, now it's time for the final reveal.
領域展開無料空所
No sympathy for the broken man, no. You better find your way. You better find your way. There are no tears to shed to the open hand. Only space for you in the troubled land. Learn from me, learn from me, learn from me, learn from me. Make it out, gotta make it out, make it out.